Hey there, this is Alex Ryan, and it's been a fantastic day here. I've been in Hong Kong now for actually the last few days. I've met quite a few of my clients. For those that I met, it was fantastic meeting you, and I look forward to working with you over the next 24 months on some of your products. But to everyone else, Hong Kong is certainly a place, especially if you're starting an Amazon business, especially if you're looking to import from China, it's a fantastic place to be. And it's something where you should at least experience at least once or twice, because there's always something new here in Hong Kong. And I've just been sort of walking around for the last few hours, about to head to the airport, off to Shanghai, and just to see a few suppliers there and a couple of clients over there. I'm here every year, well, in Hong Kong every year, multiple times per year in fact, and this is where I meet quite a few clients. Sometimes some of the clients prefer to come to Hong Kong rather than fly into Guangzhou or to Shanghai, and that's okay. So if you're serious about starting an Amazon business, maybe importing from China, maybe finding hot products, maybe not too sure what to sell, then definitely do hit me up, because this is what I do. I will sit down with you for a day. We decide on products. We decide on what you're going to import. We decide on how you're going to sell it. We launch brands. We launch Instagram, we do social media, we do a whole bunch of other stuff as well. So just be aware of that there are people out there that can actually really do help you with importing from China. There are people there that can do it. This isn't something that you do by yourself alone, all right? So just be aware of that. Okay, there is people out there that can assist and can help you. And this is what I've been doing now for the last 10 years. I've been doing not just importing from China, but helping people get started on Amazon, helping people get started with eBay accounts, on Shopify, the whole shebang, choosing hot products, finding factories, finding suppliers, getting the best price, shipping it over, launching it, selling it online, doing social media, doing selling, marketing, Facebook ads, AdWords, the list goes on and on. This is what I've been doing now for the last 10 years. If you're interested in getting started, definitely connect with us, hit us up, and we'll talk soon. And don't forget, guys, visit my website. I've got a free video program on my website which does show you how to go about getting started and gives you a couple of good starting tips as well, all right? But like I said, if you are in Hong Kong or wanting to meet me, hit me up. We'll connect in Hong Kong and we'll talk to you real soon. Now let's get something underway. Let's get your business started this year. Maybe you've been putting it off for a while. I don't know what excuse you've been telling yourself, but really is a lot easier than you think it is. You just need the right guidance. Have an awesome day, guys. Talk to you soon. See you later.